And so to me, I'm saying, well, obviously, they also saw what I saw. I mean, I could, I don't know how else I could describe what happened. And that concerned me. And when that transpired, I'm like, I need to step in and do something in as much as nothing else concerned me, save for the matter that was before me. This caused me then to follow up on the matter for which he was convicted that really was not assigned to me, you see? And so I approached my senior, Mr. Ducille Casey, and I said, I say, boss man, it ain't right. To get colloquial, I said, something isn't right. It isn't right. I want to take this further. And, we have a history of working with Parvez, Jabbar, and his it's called I'm sure you're aware, the Death Penalty Project, because it wasn't the first matter that I brought to his attention, so to speak, in terms of being fit and proper for the Privy Council to intervene. But it was one that I was very passionate about in the circumstances. And so, having had the blessing from my boss, I reached out and I said, listen, something is wrong. Something is wrong. And that caused us to be where we are at now. I hope that's a fuller answer for you.